What's the meaning of Chinglish? Chinglish. Chinglish.
Chinglish. Chinglish. Chinglish is a term used to describe the blend of English and Chinese that results in awkward or incorrect language use. It often involves direct translations of Chinese phrases into English, leading to confusion or misunderstandings. Examples of Chinglish can be found in signage, advertisements, and product packaging throughout China and other parts of the world. Despite its humorous nature, Chinglish can cause problems for those who rely on accurate communication and translation in their daily lives.